Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. Happy New Year everyone. Today we're going to make soy milk. It's very simple to make at home, and also I'm going to show you how I put together a breakfast. First, soy milk in Chinese, 豆浆. Let me show you the ingredients. So to pair with our soy milk, I'm going to steam some sweet potato slices and also 2 whole eggs. And let's dive into soybeans. Here you can see I already soaked 1 cup of soybeans overnight, and they basically doubled, more than doubled. So this is before they are soaked. See how much smaller? And this is we call edamame or young soybeans. So it all depends on when they are harvested. So this one is when they are young, and this is already shelled, right? And this one is when they're mature and also they're dried. As you can see, right? So how much smaller compared to this? This is my frozen edamame. So we're going to use the dried soybeans, in Chinese, 黄豆, literally means yellow beans, yellow soybeans. So next, I'm going to just strain and rinse my soybeans, and we're going to blend. Now we're ready to blend the soybeans. You can also use a food processor, and we're going to do 2 batches. So this is 1 cup, but after soaking, it became like more than 2 cups. I'm going to just add a cup, a little bit more, and we'll add 1.5 cups of water. Now we're going to blend it. It's about a minute. That's our first batch. See, that's our soy milk. I'm going to pour into this filter bag, or you can use cheesecloth. Then we're going to do the second batch. Now let's do the second batch. Beans. And 1.5 cup, actually a little bit over 1.5 cups of water. So that will give us more soy milk. Mr. Cameraman already covering his ears. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Are we ready? Okay. Ready. Now we're going to pour this into a bag too. Amazing, right? Soy milk. Including the pulp. Okay. Now let's squeeze out all the soy milk. Look. Wow. So the pulp, actually I tried to make pancakes. It was okay. We were not a fan of it, right?
Yeah, it was okay.
It's very tough. but you can try. I think got the most out of it. One more time. Yes. Okay, that's our soy milk. Next, we're gonna boil it. I'm heating up the pot to high. We're gonna bring this to boil. And the other side, the water is boiling. We're going to steam our sweet potatoes and eggs. So this will take about 12 to 15 minutes. Now our soy milk is boiling. Just need to remove the foam. Turn down a little bit. Now we just turn down to medium low. Let it simmer about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, soy milk is ready, sweet potato eggs ready. Just make sure you leave a little bit opening like I did. So this way it's not going to overflow. Here's our soy milk. Wow. Smooth, beautiful. And here's our sweet potatoes and eggs. One cracked. Who will be the lucky one? Mr. Cameraman, let's have a close-up of our soy milk. So fresh, steaming. It's a miracle from dry soybeans like this into soy milk. And here's our sweet potatoes and eggs. So for soy milk, you can eat without sugar. I like some sugar. Or you can even eat with salt. So either you eat sweet or savory. So for 1 cup, just enough for 2 of us. Want to try some sweet potato?
Sure.
Here.
Thank you.
Let's eat. Cheers, guys. All the best for the new year. Fresh, sweet soy milk. So good. Can't beat it, right? Homemade. It's great alternative for milk, regular milk. Good for vegetarians. Here's a sweet potato. Are you gonna try now, Mr.
Sure.
Cameraman? You eat the whiskey, right? Sweet.
Sweet.
Good fiber. Isn't this a good combination? So really high protein, right? High fiber, great breakfast, and it's easy to make your soy milk. I'm going to leave the ratio in the description box. You guys check it out. You can double it, triple it, the amount. When you have extra soy milk left, you can leave in a bottle, put in the refrigerator, and they will last 2 to 3 days. Please leave me a message below. Let me know if you ever had soy milk or if you ever made soy milk at home. When you try this at home, please try it. So simple to make. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.